This is a review of the Nutri Slicer shredder that I would definitely recommend. So this Nutri Slicer, you can pretty much use this to cut your vegetables and pretty much like your carrots, your cucumbers, green bell peppers, pretty much everything at this point, like, you know, every vegetable you can name it. And one of the things I like about this is that it also comes with an instruction guide to show you if you're like lost and you don't know how you use it. It comes with this as well too. And on the bottom of this, you know, not only that is used for a shredder, but you can use this as a storage unit as well too. It comes with this beautiful on the bottom hand. You can see it's a beautiful glass, and that's where you store all of your, you know, carrots, cucumbers, and you can see it has like different sizes and sets of blades as well too on the bottom of it. And right from the top, you can see it has a beautiful handle, so you pretty much open this up and you can see how beautiful the cutters are. It has different sizes and different sets of blades, so that's one of the huge pluses I like about this. The instruction guide also, it tells you exactly how you operate and how you use it. You can see here that it tells you you can use this for large and small vegetable dicer blades, and using a slicer and shredder blades, it guides you on how you exactly use it. So if you are lost on it, the instructions is, it will definitely help you out. And right from here, it shows you all the steps on how you exactly operate it. And I absolutely love this. I've been using this for quite a while now. It's a good thing to add for your kitchen, a good add-on accessory for your kitchen, and it pretty much makes the job much more easier. If you want to cut your cucumbers, green bell pepper, carrots, pretty much all types of vegetables, then this is something that is a great add-on to add for your kitchen. And I, so far love it and would definitely recommend this for anyone that does cooking. This thing is, it definitely helps you out when you have to cut or do cooking. And I would definitely recommend it if you are, it's like something that is a good add-on to add for your kitchen, because it pretty much saves the time from cutting when you have this thing as compared to manually cutting on your own. So I would definitely recommend this Nutri Slicer shredder if you are wanting a something that saves the time. Then this is probably one of the best kitchen add-ons you can add for your kitchen.